Hello, I'm Robert Dailey, and this is Dailey Woodworks YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your factory mirrors on your, I believe it's a 2007 to 2014 F-150. This is a 2013 F-150. I'm going to show you how to replace your factory mirrors with tow mirrors. Now, I don't typically do truck videos or auto parts videos or anything like that, but a big part of my business is hauling my tool trailer to and from job sites. So being able to tow and, more importantly, even back up a trailer on site efficiently and safely is very important. So I found some mirrors I'm going to put on. Now, I did a lot of research on the mirrors, and I got these from A1 Auto. They were $164 shipped, and the reviews on them were very high. The factory mirrors, by what I can gather, OEM replacements are over $800, and Ford dealership on average wants $500 to install them. So $164 is definitely the better deal if the quality's there, and the reviews say it is. Well, I actually have some disappointment on my new lights. That's going to slow me down a little bit. I'm actually going to go ahead and install them. So, as you can see right here, or maybe you can't, but the tip of the corner broke off. Now, some of you might not care about that, but you know, you spend money, you want it to look nice. I want this to look nice. The tip broke off. I called 1A Auto on a Sunday of all things. Talked to an awesome sales rep named Nicole, and they are, as soon as their floor opens up on Monday, they're shipping me out a replacement for this one at no charge. Really awesome customer service from A1 Auto. This breaking has nothing to do with the quality of this. It has to do with the way UPS treats boxes. They throw things around like garbage. You can see it tore through the box here, and I never saw it because I didn't look at the bottom of the box, but poked a hole there. I'll show you a picture of that. And it's just, you throw it on concrete, a tip of plastic, no matter what it is, it's going to break off. So, a little bit of disappointment, but you know what, we're still going to go ahead and get, actually I'm going to go ahead and get both of them installed, and then when the new one arrives in a few days, I'll just pull this one off and go about my business. So that's the disappointment of today's video, but overall, they look really good. They're big, they're beefy. You got the adjustments here, so you can manually adjust your spot mirror. I don't know what these are called. The really convex one that allows you to see far away. This is power. It comes with puddle lights and a blinker. One thing that I did like on my old mirrors that this one doesn't have is a blinker on the front, so you can see if you're coming at traffic, they can see you're turning from your mirror too, but that's not necessary. They extend out just with a pull, so they have two positions, all the way in and all the way out. And so now we're going to show you how to get these installed. Sorry, to get the door panel off, there's only four screws you got to take out. First one's behind this plate right here you have to pop off. The second one is underneath this cover plate. And the final two are all the way down at the bottom. So the screws on the bottom of the door panel are a 6mm. We are using an automotive pick set to hopefully not damage anything on the plastic. So my brother-in-law and I debated what this pocket here is called, but in this pocket there is an 8mm, so you need a 7mm and 8mm because Ford can't just use the same size bolt on a door. So tip that I learned is if you actually lock the door, it makes it a little bit easier to get off, and all you do with this panel is carefully lift up and off, and you've got a bunch of plugs and connectors underneath, so you don't want to just jerk this thing off or you can really mess up stuff. And that is it. And I'm not sure we even really need to unplug anything from this. I think we can just do it with the door panel sitting right here. Once you have this, this is just a shield to protect the electronics and stuff. We'll pull that off and put it back on when we're done, so I'll try to keep all this goopity goop. You've got your plug here. You need to unplug, and mine came with the entire housing, so you unplug that. That's part of the mirror. You take these 3 bolts off. Alright, so now we're using an 11mm to take these 3 nuts off right here. There. Something holding up? No. I just got some type of glue on it. Is it clipped on to any plastic or anything? There it goes. And that is your factory mirror removal. So our plug lines up. Alright. So you plug it back in, it'll click when it goes back in. I would not recommend tightening this up with an impact or something like that. Just take it slow, do it like a tire, alternate. So you put the plastic shield water protector back on, like so. Obviously make sure it's plugged in. I did unplug my mirror adjuster, and I'm going to test it before I put this all back on there. And it works in all the correct directions. Alright, so now, I got the lights. Cool. So now you put the door back on, the same way it came on. Thank you for watching. This is how you install tow mirrors on your 2007 to 2014 F-150. Very easy to install. I think it took us about 30 to 45 minutes. That included filming. And if you are just doing this without trying to film it, get camera angles, all that, you probably knock one of these out in 15 minutes a piece. So 30 minutes of your time, 3 bolts, or well, 7 bolts total. You can install these mirrors. You don't need to pay what the dealership is charging for them. You certainly, even a novice, can do this change out. It's very, very easy. Be sure to check in the description below for a link to these tow mirrors. It's not an affiliate link because I'm not sponsored by 1A Auto at all, but I'd really recommend them. Their customer service was great. Whenever I called them about saying, hey, this was damaged during shipping, we'll get one out to you as soon as possible. No issues there. And definitely not a fault on the quality of all, just more of how it was handled during the shipping process. It was just abused by the handlers. I'm very happy with them. These are not the power fold. That would have been a lot of retrofit, whatever. They fold in and out. And then they telescope. They have 2 positions, all the way out, all the way in. Sure, you could probably put them in the middle somewhere. I haven't really had a chance to really drive a lot with these, but just backing out of where we were working on it, visibility is much improved. I like being able to see my back tires when I'm backing out. I could really see around the truck very well. No more blind spots. These are really going to be great for towing, pulling my job site trailer. If you're into woodworking and woodworking type projects, shop improvements, this is kind of what I'm calling a shop improvement because my shop is on wheels. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Dailey Woodworks, and visit my website, daileywoodworks.com, and we are also on Facebook, so find us there. Thank you for watching and have a great day.